Hi, welcome back to Chibi Chef. Today I'm making Japanese curry from scratch. No store-bought rule needed. Made a curry video a while back, but this time I'm using pork, my new favorite. I'll show you how to make a tasty curry base from scratch with simple ingredients, easier than you think and adjustable to your taste. Let's cut the meat into bite sizes. The main reason I prefer using pork to beef recently is that it's easier and it takes less time to tenderize and pack with umami. Also, it's more affordable than a beef. So in our house, pork curry is even more popular than a beef curry now. If you prefer larger bite-sized pieces, that works too. In a pot, add the meat, season with salt and add butter. Cook over medium heat until lightly browned. Flip the meat once one side is cooked. Butter burns easily, so avoid cooking over high heat. While the meat is cooking, finely chop the onion. I'm using one large onion, but if yours are smaller, use two. Onions are important for Japanese curry because their natural sweetness balances the heat and helps to create a rich, thick texture as they break down. Once the meat is browned on the surface, add the chopped onion. Cook over medium to low heat, stirring occasionally until browned. Add a little more oil if the onion starts to burn or dry out. While the onion is cooking, let's cut the rest of the veggies. Onions, potatoes, and carrots are the three key vegetables in Japanese curry. For the potatoes and the carrots, we use the rangiri technique. Cut, rotate, and cut again to create more surface area for better flavor absorption. The shapes are irregular, but keeping them similar in size helps them cook evenly. Carrots take longer time to cook than potatoes, so cut them slightly smaller. On the other hand, potatoes tend to break apart easily, so avoid cutting them too small. The meat and the onions in the pot look great and are slightly caramelized. Now add the grated ginger and the garlic and turn off the heat. Next, add my favorite classic Japanese curry powder and mix well. This curry powder has a blend of spices that makes it easy to create a rich, flavorful Japanese curry. You can find it at Japanese grocery stores or on Amazon, so I'll leave a link if you'd like to try it. Add the flour and mix until no white flour is visible. This also helps thicken the curry. Now you have your homemade curry roux. Add the potatoes and the carrots. Then pour in 1 liter of water or chicken broth. I'm using chicken broth paste, so I'll mix it with water according to the instructions on the label. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium to low and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. If you have a lid, cover the pot. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. The vegetables will be soft in about 20 minutes, but simmering for at least 30 minutes makes the curry more flavorful. After simmering for 30 minutes, let's add the final seasonings to deepen the flavor. Add brown sugar. It gives the curry a rich, sweet, and full flavor. I like adding 3 tablespoons because I enjoy the contrast of the sweetness within the spice. But if you want to reduce the sugar, 2 tablespoons will work too. And add black pepper for a little bit of heat and depth. Enhances the overall flavor without overpowering the dish. At this point, you have a super basic Japanese curry. But I always like to take it a step further by adding a few more ingredients to make it even better. Next, I add soy sauce, which deepens the umami and gives the curry a well-rounded savory flavor. Then I add Tonkatsu sauce or Japanese richness sauce. It has a mix of sweet, tangy, and umami flavors that enhances the complexity of the curry. Next, add ketchup. It adds a mild sweetness and acidity, balancing the richness of the spices. Finally, a little instant coffee or unsweetened cocoa powder may sound unexpected, but it enhances the depth and brings all the flavors together. Unfortunately, I didn't have any on hand today, so I just added some leftover coffee from the pot. I think it worked well too. Stir everything well and let it simmer for a few more minutes to fully blend the flavors. I love the spiciness of black pepper, so I added a little more at the end. Black pepper and a curry are a popular combination in Japan. You can even find black pepper curry flavored snacks in many stores. The rice is ready, and it's time to serve. It took me around 45 minutes to cook everything, so you can have this super delicious Japanese curry ready in under an hour. The curry has thickened nicely, and the flavors have come together so well. I like to pour a generous amount over the rice, making sure to get plenty of meat and veggies in each serving. Itadakimasu! After simmering for 30 minutes, the potatoes are perfectly soft and fluffy. My husband loves this curry so much that he can't even wait to bring it to the table. He just grabs a plate and starts eating right away. I can't say this too loudly, but my little secret joke is scraping up the leftover curry from the pot with a spoon before washing it. It's just too good to waste. Here's a curry video I posted a few years ago. In that one, I also shared a simple curry ramen recipe using leftover curry at the end. If you're interested, check it out! Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。See you soon. またね